Let's discuss interfering with a police officer in Louisiana. So what is interfering with an officer? Well, technically the statute is interfering with a law enforcement investigation. What it is it's an interfering, it's intentional interference or obstruction of a law enforcement officer conducting investigative work at the scene of a crime or the scene of an accident by refusing to move or leave the immediate scene of the crime or the accident when ordered to do so by the law enforcement officer when the offender has reasonable grounds to believe the officer is acting in the performance of his official duties. You see this a lot when maybe a police officer has stopped somebody, maybe and he's investigating maybe a DWI or disturbing the peace or drug charge, and somebody else, the buddy, comes up and is getting in the way of the police officer, and the officer asks him to move and to leave the scene, and he refuses to do so, and then the police officer goes ahead and arrests or gives a summons to the friend for interfering with the law enforcement investigation. So for purposes of this section, law enforcement officer basically means just police officer. Penalty for interfering with an officer is it's a misdemeanor, carries a fine of up to $500 and or imprisonment for not more than 6 months, or both. If you're charged with interfering with an officer or any other crime in Louisiana, feel free to give me a call. I'm Carl Barkemeyer, attorney at law, criminal defense attorney. You can visit my website for more information as well.